In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your country location in LinkedIn, a handy skill, whether you're moving abroad or just want to update your profile for a job search. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open up your web browser and go to LinkedIn's website by typing in linkedin.com. This is where it all begins. Once you're at LinkedIn's homepage, you'll need to sign in. Use your preferred method, be it Google, Microsoft, or your email address and password. LinkedIn's flexibility in logging in makes this part straightforward. Additionally, if you have two-factor authentication enabled for added security, you might need to verify your account using a code sent to your phone. Keep that phone nearby. Now that you're logged in, take a quick glance toward the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your avatar or profile picture there. By clicking on your picture, you'll reveal a drop-down menu. From here, you'll need to find and click the Me icon. This is basically your profile image at the top of your LinkedIn homepage. Next, select View Profile from the menu. This will take you to your personal profile page where you can make changes. Once you're on your profile page, find the Edit icon, which looks like a little pencil. It's located in your introduction section, often alongside your headline and current position. Clicking this pencil icon will open up the fields that you can edit about yourself. Now scroll down until you find the country region field. This part is crucial as it's where you'll make the update to your location. There's a drop down menu right there, click on it and browse through to find your desired country. This step can be both exciting and a little nerve-wracking if you're making a significant move. Depending on the country you select, LinkedIn might prompt you to add more specific details like your city or district and possibly your postal code. It's important to fill in these additional pieces accurately so your profile appears as current as possible. Once you've double-checked all the information, it's time to look for the Save button. It's usually toward the bottom of the window. Clicking on Save ensures that all your changes are recorded, wrapping up the process and updating your LinkedIn profile for everyone to see. And that's it, you've successfully changed your country location on LinkedIn. By following these steps, you've not only ensured your profile stays up to date, but you're also making sure potential employers and connections have the most relevant details about your professional journey. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to keep your LinkedIn profile fresh and reflective of where you are in your career.